Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join the adventure feature in Dragon Ball Legends. So before we start, I made this video is for the beginner or new into this game, and how you can challenge the event, completing mission and get ton of reward from it. Let's get started by tapping the menu button and tap this adventure. So there are 3 slots for the default. You can unlock the other slot by playing more or purchase Legend Pass. And this is the job list. There are some job that you can try. For example, this job rank special. Collect tons and tons of mysterious flutes. Just tap the details. Max selectable character 5 and best element is purple and blue. Bonus character sagas from the movie. You have to, if you are success, you can get this reward. For example, tap this brilliant city. Let's get back first. I'm sorry. Start the adventure, and this one, accept the brilliant city. So you have to play with 5 character and have best element purple and blue. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.